event. I think we had completed an average like 150 million quests as opposed to 100 that was the goal. So really cool to see that. Maybe the data people can confirm.
Yeah.
But okay, I'm about to roll. Let's go.
Stop, Danny.
It's Gendru.
Come to hopefully save the day, and I'll probably if I ruin it, let's blame Danny anyway.
Yeah, because I touched the
Yeah, you cursed it. All right, let's go. 15, the legendary star drop.
You know.
It's a good start. Yeah, I know, because it happened twice already. All right.
Next roll.
Next roll.
Ooh.
All right. Here we go. Oh, we haven't had that before. What is it?
Is it 6 or 9? 9?
9.
Oh,
That's
no.
bling. No, I cursed there. Actually, it's good. Bling is
Could be
good.
worse. Could be worse.
Could be worse. That's true. That's
Could
a good
be
way
Danny
to think.
rolling it.
And
Yeah.
now to prove that it works, or no, that today is today, again, we already proved it, but we're gonna read again the last Reddit post of the day, which is by user 2295001503949 1 minute ago. And he's saying, Brawl Arena is gone, frowny face.
Damn, Garvin is gone once again.
Yeah.
All right,
nice.
we have the rewards. 9 Wonder Bling, 15 Legendary Drop. Valtteri, put that in game.
Nice.
All right, bye. Thank you.
Thanks everyone for playing Quest for Quests. It was good. See you later.
Yo, I got the munchies.
I'm on another level. Let's drop some candies. I'm high.
You're low.
Encore!
This is your pilot speaking.
Hey!